Get out of the way, get out of the way.
Hit it!
She barely hit it!
Do it again!
I can't!
Go over more! I'm going up there with you and I'm going to position you. Come on! Get her death march on film.
My hands are numb.
You know how awesome it feels to throw up right now?
We could make you throw up.
I'll stick my gloves.
My back scratcher. We have toothbrushes.
What?
We have toothbrushes.
Oh, thanks.
Or
Watch out!
my back scratchers.
You got it.
You can do it.
I think I've gone up to hold the most out of anybody.
Yeah, you have.
No, remember all the times that I went up and down? Come here, and I'm going to hold on to the sled, and then I'm going to let go.
Are you okay?
Ouch! Stupid fire extinguisher and jumps and stuff. Oh. I actually have the wind knocked out of me right now.
I know that happened to me too.
Ow!
That happened to me too.
You can't even fathom the pain.
I wanted to cry but laugh at the same time, so I couldn't breathe.
My back's here.
Yeah, you hit that really hard.
See, it's funny how I can make her hit the things, but she can't do it herself.
My ass!
Camp.